It's like red though. It's like blood red, like demonic. I don't know if you got them in other colors or cause yeah, I kind of like red. Okay. You know. Get him out of me! You know, when I'm driving and the airbags pop out, next thing I know, I'm in the hospital.
Oh, okay.
I think it's on the other side.
The other side?
I do believe so. Does it smell like plum pudding to you? I smell plum pudding. Thank you. Very kind.
McDonald's can help you?
The souls of hell can bang you.
I'm sorry?
One apple pie, please. That'll be all.
Okay, would you like two for $1 apple pie?
Oh, it's demonic.
Alrighty then.
That would be nice.
Okay, I'll have to change it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is you okay?
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah, you okay? I was just coughing, babe. You alright?
No, scare me.
You okay?
Don't do that.